Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning and Writing. Today in this video we learn 10 insects name. Ant, bug, bee, snail, wasp, louse, lizard, butterfly, mosquito, spider. So dear friends, if you like this video then subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting.